Good day! We are the proud researchers of Alayhay Elementary School. I am Analyn C. Avanceña, the lead proponent of this study, and my co-author is Ms. Razel C. Lovedorial. Last school year, 2020-2021, parents or guardians became the home learning facilitators, or HLF, of the learners and given different tasks. These tasks were not have been easy for them. Teachers noticed the absence of some HLF during distribution and retrieval of learning kits. As a result, learners didn't answer the learning task on time and delayed again for the next schedule of retrieval of outputs. The researchers conduct this study to know the reasons of HLF for not claiming the modules and other learning kits. The results could be used for planning some strategies or ways to help the HLF. Relevant factor in children's success is parental involvement. Their presence, communication about school, and homework assistance are the representation of higher involvement towards education. Parental involvement can be seen in different forms. It can be quantitative help, helping with homework, or qualitative help, providing conducive space for learning, claiming modules on time. According to Greenlee and Reed, children in highly educated families are more often involved in structured academic activities such as worksheets, online or offline school resources, and other educational resources during pandemics. Research questions. The focus of our research questions during the COVID-19 pandemic were: 1. How do parents of grade 3 students support learning during pandemic? Is this involvement relevant to the success of education? 2. How do parental involvement with a mid-pandemic develop a positive effect in grade 3 students' learning? 3. How are parents' nature of work affect the learning process in the new normal? 4. What are the common reasons for not claiming modules? Research methodology. Quantitative methodology. The researchers collect and analyze numerical data through paper survey. Findings. As shown in the table, 123 or 74% of the total number of respondents were able to get the modules on time. On the other hand, there are 43 or 26% of them did not get the modules on time. This result indicates that there are more home learning facilitators that religiously follow the schedule than the opposite ones. Based from the data, 10 or 6% of the total number of respondents said that they are working. That's why they did not claim or get the modules on time, while 20 or 12% of them answered they were taking care of their young children. Furthermore, 11 or 7% of them had an important errand need to do, and 1 or 0.6% of the respondents got sick as well as forgot the schedule. Implications. The study conveys that taking care of their younger children is the main reason of the home learning facilitators for not claiming the learning kits. Thus, it implicates that if they not fostering younger children, they can get the learning kits on time. Conclusions. Finally, taking care of younger children have a great impact in failure of home learning facilitators in claiming the learning kits. Recommendations. Based on the study and analysis of the answers of questionnaire, this paper makes this recommendation: the school to organize a support program that would involve the community for the distribution and retrieval of learning kits, wherein the community clubs and organizations will distribute the learning kits to the house of the learner with struggling home learning facilitators. Thank you and God bless!